Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the home screen tricks on HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Alright, to open up the customization menu, we need to perform that kind of move. Now, the menu appeared, as you can see, and in here we can quickly change the wallpaper. In here you can select your own wallpaper from the gallery. Also, you can use one of those suggested wallpapers, and down below we have more wallpapers button. If you tap on that, you need to click on enable, and in here you can see another wallpapers that you can download, but remember that some of them might require payment. For example, this one, it says purchase. Okay, back to the menu. And now let's go with the service widgets. That's one of my favorite things. I always use some widgets. And that's actually the first thing that I do when I set up my phone. Actually, when it comes to the widgets itself, we have a cool way to stack them. But remember that the widgets needs to have the same size. So for example, let's add a weather widget. You can see that each widget has a few sizes. Click on add, and now let's add another one with the same size. For example, the clock. Click on add to home screen, and now when I'll grab one widget, I'll place it on the second one. Click on got it. You can see that those widgets has stacked right now. And if you want to switch between them, you just need to slide up or down. Pretty cool thing. Thanks to that, we can save some space on our screen. Because, you know, two widgets are stacked in one place. We can slide up or down. And we don't need to take place, for example, like that. I mean, you know, the weather would be in this place and the clock in that place. That would take more space on our screen, but thanks to that, everything is pretty well organized. Okay, back to the menu. We also have possibility to change the transition animation. Currently it's set on the default, but we have the perspective. You can see currently on the screen how each transition will look like. So we have squeeze, we have the box, we have the flip over, rotate, page, windmill, and that is all. So for example, let's select the rotate, tap on the screen to save it, and now you can see that the animation has changed. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. Okay, back to the menu, and the last thing is home screen settings. In here we can change the layout of our home screen, 4:6 or 5:6. If you select 5:6, you'll be able to place more icons on one screen. So it's up to you which mode you like more. You can also lock the layout. If you enable it, you won't be able to move any icon or widgets on your home screen. Sometimes it's good because let's say that we have created our perfect layout and we don't want anything to go wrong. So that's the moment, for example, when we can lock the layout. I highly recommend enabling the auto align function. It works in that way that, for example, if I will uninstall one of my apps, the app that is next to it will fulfill that gap. So let me show you how it works. I will uninstall my game, and you can see that the shortcut jumped into the place of previous app. That is a pretty cool thing, because we won't have, you know, empty space in the middle of our screen. So I like that feature. We can also enable or disable to show widget bars. We can change the icon's size. We have this bar down below. Simply slide left and right to adjust the size. Okay, then release, go back using that arrow, and now it has been changed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.